Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video on ForgottenWeapons.com. I'm Ian McCollum, and today we are out here at the backup gun match, which I am using as a test bed for some interesting guns that I don't have a lot of ammunition for. Today, I have a French model of 1892 service revolver. This example was made in 1922. It is pretty grungy condition on the outside, a lot of old pitting on it. But it actually has a great bore and it works very nicely. All the internals are in great shape, and so that makes it an ideal specimen for a little bit of competitive shooting action. So we have 4 stages today. This is a very simple, the scoring in this match is very simple. It is your time, your time and your number of points. Points are assessed on paper targets as 5 for the center, 3 for the middle, 1 for the outside. Steel targets are worth 7 if you knock them down, otherwise 3 points per hit. So more points, less time, equals a better score. So let's see how this does. All right, so on this one we've got stairs. Start on the stairs, swap your gun for the real gun on the barrel. You shoot the downstairs target, then the upstairs target, then the other downstairs target.
Yep. Yeah.
Shooters ready.
You gotta shoot.
Stand by.
One of the low ones.
High in the
Then the high one.
Okay, cool. I'm not gonna remember.
Range is clear. 9 seconds. 991. How about that? 7.
Not bad. Clean.
Fairly quiet.
7.
Clean.
7.
Clean.
Nicely
Good
done.
shooting. Good shooting.
I fucked that up.
All right, the setup here is that you're in a vehicle, your gun has fallen out of its holster, and you have to get it with your feet, then turn around and engage the 2 paper targets and the plate with your own gun from the barrel.
Stand by.
Yes!
That's the way.
They must have it set really well. Every time they shoot 2 guns, it's like, oh,
Range is clear. 7 seconds.
All right.
all you gotta do is
That looks like 6 to me.
So I was shooting double action. I've got a pair of 3s, so I dropped a point here.
Clean. 7 points.
But I got this one. I got a 5 and a 3. And I went and then cocked the thing single action for the steel and aimed high on it. And remarkably, I was able to actually knock it down with a round of rather anemic 8mm model 1892 ordnance ammunition. On this stage, your gun mysteriously begins in a chili pot. You retrieve it from there, engage the 2 paper targets from over the tables, and then you have to go under the table to shoot the 2 falling steel.
We used to call it cowboy.
Il y a un pistolet en le potage.
You're allowing any gun over the like 1900.
One hand
So
on
if you
each
guys
table.
come out with a cowboy gun, you could load
Are
it
you
to
ready?
6. You know, that was
Shooters ready. Stand by.
That's back up here because this.
Yeah, he wants to beat this guy. If he comes out with
Now!
7 seconds.
caliber, yeah.
Range is clear. 7 seconds.
Bummer. So I missed the second steel.
He ran out.
So 13,
But I got 6 here.
7.
13, 20.
And a very nice 7 there. Not bad. So after watching a bad video, a week later you're sitting back watching TV and creepy undead girl comes up out of a well and through your TV to eat your soul. So from the chair, starting with your gun in hand, you have to engage the 4 targets from back to front.
Shooters ready. Stand by.
All you gotta do is they want to down range, so just roll it over and then
You're done on load.
yeah, please.
Range is clear. 9 seconds. 965.
So I tried the first steel target double action. That did not work, so I went to single action for the next 3 shots, which did work. Just barely in the center ring there. So, full score on the paper.
Sequence bonus.
Not too shabby. 9 seconds.
And you get to keep your soul.
Done. Alrighty, so overall, not the fastest gun I've ever used in a match like this, but it's actually very comfortable to shoot. I'm shooting Fiocchi ammo, which is 111 grain, but I don't know the velocity offhand. I don't know if it's loaded up to original French military spec, but it's pretty anemic feeling. There's very little recoil coming off of this. I was able to knock down points with it without any trouble, which was a little bit surprising to me. The grip looks a little small, but to me, in my hand, this is a really comfortable gun to use. So a little bit of trouble with the double action in a few areas. Single action was a nicer trigger pull. Neither one of them is, you know, anything to really write home about. As a service revolver, I think easy to shoot is more important than almost any other qualification, because pistols are hard. And, you know, a 45 caliber revolver that has a lot of stopping power to it, not a lot of guys are actually going to train much with them. And I think a lower power, less recoiling, easier to use gun like this one makes a lot of sense. So pretty cool. Definitely rather have an automatic pistol than a revolver, but for the French going into World War I, really not at any disadvantage as a result of having this as a handgun. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.